yeah, bit weird sitting on a table in it, but as you can hear that bang, you probably guess what this is. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. These are the Blunt Diamond wheels. Let's get unboxing. We have to cut that out because there is stickers in here. Well, oh fuck. You can kind of guess I'm not that good at. I just get. Oh. That didn't do very well, did it? No, it did not. Right. Oh, River K wheel or not? Oh, nice. Got a big good stickers sheet. We'll cut in the fucking River one. Yeah, it's loaded. So, there's one. There's two. These are the diamond wheels. Black on teal diamond wheels. As my honeycores have dehubbed and cracked, so need some new ones for Corby tomorrow. Come just in time. We might film vlog Corby, and I just dropped my wheel. So, and if we don't film some at Corby, it's because we're getting a lot of edit clips. Also, this came tomorrow. Scuba Brad hat, the limited edition ones, the 100k Instagram ones. Nice. But I will go and put these on my scooter now. I'll show you them, and I will get some flat clips outside because I'm at my house and waiting for them all day. Well, kind of. So see in a bit. Alright, so wheels, scooter. Forgot one thing. Allen keys. Quick time lapse of me doing the scooter. Let's get it.
Sweetness, I can read your mind. I see your skin turn red when you lie. If you don't wanna tell me nothing.
Alright guys, so just got the wheels on. Looks super sick. Matches my deck, focuses, or the brightness goes down. Yeah, I hope you liked it. You probably won't be able to see me like doing it, but you will be able to see me. So I'm going to get some flat clips. Don't judge me. I'm really shit at flat. So it seems a bit heavier, just because I was running hoodie codes. Yeah, I'm doing it fullest. Like quad fullest my house. But let's get some flat clips. Right guys, so it started raining, so can't get any clips at the minute. But you know, it's England. Caught one of these SB hats, guys. They're really comfy, like I mean super comfy. Probably the only reason why I'm wearing them when it's raining is because my hair is super duper screwed. If you haven't noticed, my setup was probably full envy. You probably have noticed though. Yeah, you probably have noticed that it is full envy. Envy wheels, so on and so on, so grips, bars, deck, you know, all that stuff. All the good stuff. I did do a custom build, but they were my old wheels, so that custom build will still be coming out. Don't worry about it. We have a vlog coming up Sunday. This will be up Thursday. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. If you want any more unboxings, we'll do unboxings of any part that we get. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Yeah, subscribe, comment down below suggestion of what I should do next, like another video idea or something like that. But that has been today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed.
And you can go straight to hell. Now I'm gonna tell you something. You fucked this up yourself. I'm pulling up my